So here we have a bird with black stripes on his head on a white background with bluish at the back of the stripes. He's got a checkered feather under each wing. He's slightly pink and he's a medium-sized bird. Oh yes, and he's also got long flowing moustaches. If you didn't look at the picture you would think I was making it up, but here he is. A beautiful, beautiful jay. Isn't he handsome? Now this little fellow, the black cap, is a bit shy and only darts in for a second or two, so I've slowed him right down here, so hopefully you can get a good look at him. It's very attractive in his own way. Black, grey and white. And this guy is funny. Think of a black and white bird with a red bottom. You can just make it out there. It looks as if he's actually walked into something or perhaps even had an accident. But there you are. He's a very much an individual, very, very distinct behavior, very woodpecker behavior. This guy just wanted a quick look, see what's on, and